Hi everyone, I'm Eng Shihui.
Hi, I'm T Wei Xuan.
Hi, I'm Billy Lin.
Hi, I'm Li Xingqian.
Hi, I'm Yao Zuoyan.
Hi, I'm Pang Yong Tong.
Hi, I'm Siti Hafiza.
Hi, I'm Joey. This innovation is an interactive educational game aimed for children with ADHD aged 7 to 10 in order for them to learn mathematics in a more engaging and also interesting way. For instance, basic mathematics included are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and also division. The pedals are connected to an Arduino board in order for children to choose their answer by stepping on the pedals. We have also registered our project under the IPO. By this game, it can foster active engagement and also makes mathematics learning more enjoyable, interesting, and also reliable.
To initiate the game, we will have to click on the start button on the screen. Both pedals are connected to an Arduino board, and the Arduino board senses pressure. So whenever we step on our pedals, it actually controls respective keys on the computer for the avatar to move from the left to the right. For addition, our cat is required to touch milk containers with correct answers. When our cat touches the correct answer, our system will pop out a notification to notify the players that they got the correct answer and vice versa. Our game will not stop abruptly if they got the wrong answer, but in fact, they're allowed to continue playing until they got it right. Whenever we got the correct answer, our marks will automatically added by 1, and when our marks reaches 5, the level will change from addition to subtraction, then multiplication, lastly division. In subtraction, we will have a cat timer at the upper left corner of the screen, which calculates the time for the hook on the cat's head to lower down. Players are given 10 seconds to think before the hook lowers down and to control the avatar to touch the correct fish. Similar to addition, whenever the player gets it right, the system will pop out a correct notification and automatically adds 1 mark to the score. In multiplication, our cat is required to touch the mouse with the correct multiplicated answer. The speed of the mouse will be very slow for our players to have time to think of the correct answer. Moving and marking system for the cat is very similar to the previous levels, hence the players will not have a hassle to adapt to a new game in a new level. In division, our cat is required to touch the correct wool with the correct divided answer. This level provides a little difficulty that we are technically not able to control the randomly popped out numbers to be a fully divided number. At times, remainders are present. The wool moves in a circular motion in a very slow speed. This provides sufficient time for the players to think of the correct answer and to control their avatars to the correct wool. Marking system is too similar to the 3 previous levels.
Hi, do you have a minute? Would you like to try our brand new educational game called Think-It-Thru Cat?
Sure, let's go.
Okay, let's go! Here are the 2 pedals. You can step on it and play the game.
Okay.
Let's start.
Oh, okay. So I need to step to the left to go left, right?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Wow! I mastered addition! Woo!
Now that you have finished the game, what do you think about it? It's actually designed for ADHD kids.
I think the game is very fun and easy to follow. I think the game is very suitable for ADHD kids.
I think it's nice because I think it's an easier way for ADHD kids to learn math because the way to play the game is easy for them, and then the whole background and the character in the game is cute. So this maybe can attract the ADHD kids and help them in their mathematics.
In the future, as we prepare to bring our math game to the market, we are focusing on key improvements to make it more user-friendly and durable. First, portability. We plan to design sleek and secure packaging that organize and stabilize the Arduino board and all wiring, making the product easy to transport and ready to use anywhere. Second, paddle durability. Instead of fragile cardboard, the paddle will be made from stronger and stable materials like plastic, ensuring it lasts longer and provides a reliable gaming experience. Lastly, I believe this improvement will make our game not only practical for daily use but also more appealing to customers, ensuring it is both fun and dependable for ADHD learners.
That's all from us.
Thank you!